Just having a couple of sips of coffee before I jump in. If you saw my last video, which I literally just filmed, which is my kind of introduction to the Spring Fever series and my reasonings for it and my kind of approach going into it, I am starting out today with my spring cleaning and my KonMari craze with my nightstand. I wanted to pick something accessible, something simple and easy that I knew I could easily accomplish in like 10 minutes, right? So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm hoping that that sparks joy for me in such a way that I will also address this basket of stuff back here, that bin of stuff there. I've already put my dry cleaning in the bag because I just got pumped to do it. My dry cleaning's been sitting in the bin in the closet for like a couple of weeks. I just haven't been putting it in the bag. I'm like, why am I not putting it in the bag and putting it outside? Like it's time to put out the dry cleaning. And today I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Right before I sat down to film, I was like, let's just put it in the bag. So I did. Even as simple as that, something so simple can give you that little boost. It felt really good to put the dry cleaning in the bag. Who knew? It took literally 10 seconds. So I'm gonna take that downstairs when I go down after I film this video. But right now, I'm gonna take you over to my nightstand. I'm gonna go in there and we're gonna attack it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so here's my nightstand as it stands. Stack of books that I haven't been reading on top of it. Some note cards that need to go in my office. These are Erin Condren note cards, so I can already pull that off. I can already see that there's 2 pencil cases here. One is empty, one is not. I pulled this back out just the other day to see if I wanted to use it instead. It's just too big for the number of pens I have. I use these sometimes in my bullet journaling, not all the time. So I'm going to put them back in there because I like that one better, and I think I can fit it in the drawer. And then I'll put this one back in my office. So look, I've already made my first pile of stuff to go in the office. And there's Winnie, just in case you wanted to see her. She's so cute. So yeah, a couple of candles. Basically the plant, all that stuff's gonna stay. These are my little tchotchkes, but I'm gonna keep all that stuff. I'm gonna think about having the stack of books and magazine there because I think I'm gonna make some space in here because I have all my bathing suits in the bottom drawer, but they can now fit back in my main dresser because I have plenty of room for them in there, and I will, especially after I purge through. So let's get into it. All right, so let's just go ahead and pop these puppies in here. Don't want that pen in there. I actually kind of want this pen. Well, I'll put it in the drawer. This I want to end up putting in a drawer, and I'm gonna get, like I said, think about the books. Yeah, I'm gonna think about where I want those books because I do want to keep those books out for now. I just don't know if I want them in a drawer or on my nightstand. But like I said, everything else is gonna stay. So let's go through the drawers. Okay, so it's a little hard to reach with the camera, but we'll make it work. First drawer, open it all the way. Most used stuff is in the front, my lotions and lip balm I use every night. I have a couple of lozenges, a couple of baby safety plug covers I'm gonna leave in there for now. My thermometer for my resting temperature in the morning, and then a toddy gear cloth. Those things are all good. The rest is like, don't use all the time. The lighter I do want to keep in there. The backup lotion I do want to keep in there. These headphones I really don't like that much. These are my friends. I used them for a while, but honestly I don't find them very comfortable for long usage, and now I use Bluetooth headphones. So I'm going to get rid of those. Those are going. There's another cuticle cream. This is kind of old. I don't know, did that stuff go bad? This stuff's really old. I'm just gonna get rid of it. A penny? Is there a penny in here? There is a penny in here. We're gonna reallocate where that goes. Let's see, my bag. Oh, this is the case. This is the thing that this goes to. I don't need to keep this. Goodbye. There's no reason for it. These I feel like I could put in my bathroom. Just a little lotion tube thingies. Oh, flashlight, very important. little eye pillow. I don't ever use, honestly, but I do want to keep it. And my little collection of bookmarks, I do want to keep. So I like the way that I have this already organized. So I'm going to keep all of this stuff in here, but I can, let me see, maybe I'll put that somewhere else. Let's see. I can do something like this. I guess I kind of am organizing. And then there's this sleep mask, which honestly never use. Never found a reason to use. I bought it because I don't like sleep masks, and this is supposed to be better. But maybe I want to save this for a long haul flight or something. So I'm gonna put this in my travel gear. Let's see what else is back here. Oh, a clock that doesn't work anymore, so that can go. Goodbye. Oh, you know what? Maybe I do want to keep this too. What batteries does this take? Let's see. Oh, just a little. Maybe I do want to keep this clock actually, because I right now sleep with my phone by my bed because it has my baby monitor on it. But in the future, I might not want to do that because I honestly don't like having my phone right there. This came with this little pillow thing that I use between my knees when I sleep, and honestly, I don't need this. I don't need that. So that can go. This is a light to turn the lights off. Our lamps are hooked up to that. This is a little reading light. Does this even work? It does. I'm going to keep that. And I think these are little stones. I never look in this little bag. I kind of like knowing it's here. This is one of those things where, like, does this really spark joy? Or is this just junk you're holding on to? I think it's probably just junk I'm holding on to. Oh, it's my word. Yeah, I don't think I need to keep these little stones. I don't think I need to keep them. I am going to part ways with them. I have other little talismans and things. Actually, you can see right here, my little soul mantras. My words of the year from the last 3 years. So I like those. I'm going to keep those there. I don't need those other stones. Okay, great. Look at that. Look at that already, you guys. Already. This is such a big difference. Okay. Well, that's good. Still don't know if I'm putting that back in that drawer. Okay, one drawer down. Let's move on. This is my writing desk, lap desk I've had literally since high school, which I love. Let's see what's in here. There's not much in here, to be honest. There's some sticky notes, some notepads. That's a dream journal. This is some information that goes with, oh, I don't think I have those anymore. Okay, garbage. Another little thing I can get rid of. What's in? Okay, I'm going to put my headphones up here where the other ones were. Actually, maybe I want them in there. Okay. This is my little HP sprocket. Oh, I'm going to keep that. That's pretty nice. This is scissors and different pens, a pencil. What is this? That looks like it goes to Midori, so that can go with my Midori stuff in my office. Yeah, I don't need another pen in here. I've got plenty of pens. Highlighters, some markers, some craft tape. This is just things if I ever get a little bit crafty when I'm just sitting in bed. I just like to have a couple of things on hand. So that's good. This is the Hobonichi daily journal I've been using lately. These are some journals. Actually, these can probably go away. This was an Erin Condren I was using for my daily journal for a while. You can see I even did it with the picture stuff. I'm doing something different now. Yeah, I think this stuff can probably go in my office too. And this looks like garbage. Okay, and then that's a little journal I have for my daughter that I never really got into using, but oh well. All right, so that room is, oh, that drawer is done. It's not a room. Well, we can put that away. Let's see. Okay, this drawer has all these little socks. When I was trying to conceive, it was suggested to me that I keep my feet warm when I sleep, or all day basically, when I was doing acupuncture. So I wore socks every day to sleep, and I had had these socks for many years. These are really worn out, and it's time to go. I don't wear socks to sleep in anymore. These are my little toe separators, which I love. This is a roller like a muscle roller out thing for your legs or your arms, wherever, that I like a lot. These, a little bit of a shameful collection of foot and hand masks that I bought at the Sephora sale, not last year, but the year before, and still haven't used. So this is a reminder to myself to use these things. I bet this one came in a subscription box. So let's just separate into hand and foot, I think. Oh, I only have a couple, but I have a lot of hand masks. That's good. My hands are really dry. I really ought to be using them. So this is kind of my like body care drawer. I'm gonna put this guy in here because that makes sense. Cool. Well, that was easy and got rid of a lot in there. And then this is the bathing suit drawer. And honestly, this is clothing. I'm not gonna go through this today, but I'm gonna take all of this out because honestly, there's just no need for it to be in here. It's just, I'm gonna put it with my other clothes. So I'm gonna take all of this out of here, and I know I can get rid of some of these bathing suits because just as a mom, first of all, some of them don't fit because, you know, I'm a mom. And some of them, like this one, I'm just not gonna wear this. I'm like, kudos to you if you're the mom that can rock that, but I am just like, I'm just too modest. I'm just too modest. My cover-ups. I'm taking the paper too. So now we have this empty drawer at the bottom. Now this is where I'm like, do I want to put my books in here? But then am I not going to read them? I kind of want to put my pens in here. I think they'll fit perfectly. They do. I was thinking I could put my books down there, but then I'm worried I'm never going to touch them if they're down there. Well, I can put the ones I don't read on a daily basis down there for now. And then we can see how that goes. I mean, it looks not a lot neater on my nightstand. I'm not so concerned about the neatness. I really just want to make sure I'm reading my books. So I'm going to think about that. I'm going to keep them in the drawer for a couple of days and see how that works out for me. But there you go. That's it. Okay, and this is what I'm left with. Bathing suit stuff I'm going to put away for now that I want to think about. Stuff that's supposed to go in my office. Bathing suit stuff I'm going to get rid of because I know, goodbye. This can go in my lingerie drawer, underwear, whatever. This can go in my bathroom. And then this is all toss or give away. So these are basically toss. And then I decided I'm not going to hold on to this. If I haven't used it by now, I'm not going to use it. These three things are donation things. So yeah, pretty successful. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So don't put it off. I'm just going to put everything away right now where it goes. And there it is. Finished-ish, I guess. We'll see about the books. Before I sign off today, I just want to show you this basket. This basket, that basket, hello, and a bin on the floor. That basket, it's been a long story, but this bin has been sitting on this counter, this bureau, for 2+ weeks. And basically what happened is I did a little bit of a sort through. I had this list just like covered in stuff. And basically I sorted through it, and anything that needs to go downstairs, that's either garbage, recycling, special kind of garbage. I've recently learned that you're supposed to dispose of fabrics separately from the regular trash, because they I don't know what they do with fabrics, but it's better to, I don't know, I'm going to figure that out with my township. But anyway, mostly recycling and stuff like this. Hand wash I want to put in the kitchen, that sort of things. Why don't I just bring the bin downstairs and do it, the basket? I don't know. I'm just going to do that right now. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to put all the stuff where it's meant to go and have it done. Then this basket, I'm going to do on another day, but baby steps. And then that is all stuff to give away. That's stuff from baby stuff that we no longer need. And I'm just going to do that. I'm going to put it into the donation bags and get that bin out of here instead of having it sit on my floor for another month. And I'm going to take the recycling down now too. This is what I mean by picking a small area that's really doable. My nightstand was really easy to do. And it already has inspired me to, not only, I already put away all the stuff that came out of the nightstand. It's like already gone to its respective places. And now I want to bring the dry cleaning downstairs, and I'm gonna do the bin. And it's just things that have been sitting here that I'm just like look at every day and like, just do it. Well, I'm doing it now. And I hope that me sharing my silly things like this, just like this dumb basket that's been sitting there, like this is just real human stuff, right? I don't keep everything perfectly tidy all the time. I think it's pretty neat, but not perfect, right? And I only strive for pretty neat. Let's just get it like mostly there. As long as it's functional and I'm happy and my kids are happy and everybody's healthy, it's good. But now I am ready to move the basket and sort that bin and bring the dry cleaning down and just get things feeling fresh in here. And that, it already feels fresher. It already does. So I hope this inspired you a little bit in some way. Let me know if it did or didn't. I'm sure you'll let me know. And I will see you next week. We're gonna tackle the vanity, we're gonna tackle the closet and the drawers. We're gonna do it all. So let's do it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.